Good morning everyone. Myself Indranil Mondal, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I am going to discuss multiple choice questions and answers of materials engineering. Let's discuss. Allotropes differ in which of the following properties? Atomic number, atomic mass, crystal structure and electronegativity. The right option is crystal structure. Allotropes are different crystalline structures of the same element. Hence, they have the same atomic number, atomic mass and electronegativity. For example, graphite and diamond are allotropes of carbon. Coordination number of a crystalline solid is options are number of particles in the unit cell, number of nearest neighbors of a particle, number of octahedral voids in a unit cell and number of tetrahedral voids in a unit cell. Right option is number of nearest neighbors of a particle. Coordination number of a crystal structure is the number of particles with which a given particle is in direct contact. An octahedral void is surrounded by options are 8 atoms, 18 atoms, 6 atoms and 16 atoms. Right choice is 6 atoms. An octahedral void resembles a regular octahedron with atoms situated at all the 6 vertices. Which of the following is a crystalline solid? Copper wire, glass bottle, polythene bag and rubber ball. Right option is copper wire. Copper wires are made of crystalline copper. In fact, most metallic objects are crystalline. However, research for the large scale production of amorphous metals is in progress. Coordination number for an ideal body centered cubic structure metallic crystal is options are 8, 6, 12 and varies for different metals. Right choice is 8. Consider the atom at the body center. It is touched by all the atoms present at the vertices of the cubic unit cell. We know that a cube has 8 vertices. Up to which point on the stress strain curve is Hooke's law valid? Options are elastic limit, yield point, proportionality limit and fracture point. The right option is proportionality limit. The proportionality limit is the point up till which the strain of an elastic body is proportional to the stress applied on it, while elastic point is the point up till which the elastic properties last. After fracture point, the body breaks. Which of the following can be the value of Poisson's ratio for an engineering structure? Options are 2, 0.4, 29 and 100. Right option is 0.4. The Poisson's ratio for most of the engineering structure normally lies between 0.3 and 0.6. Therefore, 2, 29 and 100 cannot be valid values for Poisson's ratio. Stress strain curve for cemented tungsten carbide is options are hyperbola, parabola, a curve and a straight line. Right choice is straight line. The stress strain curve for cemented tungsten carbide is a straight line as being a brittle material. It does not have an elastic zone and therefore it fractures after a certain load is applied. Next, for destructive interference to take place, the path difference between the two waves should be n lambda, 2n lambda, n plus 1 of half into lambda, 2n plus 1 into lambda. Right option is A, n lambda. Constructive interference occurs when the phase difference between two interfering waves is an integral multiple of 2 pi. Also, the ratio of path difference to wavelength equals that of phase difference to 2 pi. Frenkel defect belongs to which of the following classes? Point defect, linear dislocation, interfacial defect and bulk defect. Right option is point defect. Frenkel defect occurs when some of the similar ions shift from their lattice point to interstitial positions. The magnitude and direction of lattice distortion are expressed in terms of which vector? Dislocation vector, skew vector, edge vector, or Berger vector? The right option is Berger vector. Berger vector is used to denote magnitude and direction. In physics, the Berger vector, named after Dutch physicist John Berger's, is a vector often denoted as small b that represents the magnitude and direction of the lattice distortion resulting from a dislocation in a crystal lattice. Which type of stress is involved in the motion of skew dislocation? Tensile stress, shear stress, compressive stress, or does not involve stress? The right option is shear stress. If shear stress is increased in skew dislocation, it results in a slip of one layer over other, which ultimately leads to deformation. What is the mechanism in which edge dislocation move out of the slip is called climb dislocation, skew dislocation, shear dislocation, or slip dislocation? The right option is climb dislocation. In this type of dislocation, edge moves perpendicular over its slip plane. Volume defect or bulk defects are which dimension defect? One dimension, two dimension, three dimension, or four dimension? The right option is three dimension. Volume defects are three dimensional defects. Interfacial defects are two dimensional. In short, volume defect is an application of interfacial effect. An universal testing machine can be used to conduct both tensile and compressive testing. Is it true or false? The right option is it is true. A universal testing machine can be used to conduct tests like tension, compression, shear, friction, tear, stiffness. Many other such mechanical properties can be tested. Which of the following is the property because of which a material can be drawn into wires? Ductility, elasticity, malleability, or strength? The right option is ductility. Ductility is the physical property by which the material can be drawn into thin wires. None of the other options matched this definition. How many slip systems are there in face-centered cubic lattice? 12, 6, 10, or 18? The right option is 12. There are 12 slip systems in FCC lattice. The number of slip planes are 4 and the number of slip direction are 3 in an FCC lattice. Therefore, the total number of slip system is given by their multiplication, that is 12. Necking occurs in which of the following fractures? Ductile fractures, brittle fractures, fatigue, or it does not occur during fracture? The right choice is it does not occur during fracture. Necking occurs when tensile force is applied on metals and it occurs when ductile failure is occurring. In brittle fracture, the material just breaks before breaking. After which point is necking observed? Ultimate strength, yield strength, elastic limit, or fracture point? The right option is ultimate strength. Necking in a ductile material is observed after the body crosses the point of ultimate strength on the stress-strain curve. How many components are present in binary phase system? 3, 4, 2, or 1? The right option is 2. In binary phase system, there will be only 2 components. The line above which the alloy is liquid is called solidus line, tie line, liquidius line, or lever line. The right option is liquidius line. The liquidius line is the line above which the alloy is liquid. At the temperature just below this line, crystal of solid solution start forming. 3 phases, L plus alpha plus beta, coexist at point E. This point is called as patectic point, eutectic point, eutectoid point, or eutectic point or composition. This is from phase diagram. The right option is eutectic point or composition. Three phases coexist at the point capital E. This point is called as eutectic point or composition. What is Gibbs phase rule for general system? P equal to C minus 1 minus F, P equal to C plus 1 minus F, P plus F equal to C minus 2, P plus F equal to C plus 2. P is the number of phases, C number of components, F degrees of freedom. The right choice is P plus F equal to C plus 2. The number of degrees of freedom, F, that is number of independently variable factors, number of components C, and number of phases in equilibrium P. The degree of freedom at a triple point in the unary diagram for water is 2, 3, 0 or 1. The right option is 0. What is Gibbs phase rule for metallurgical system? F equal to C minus 1 minus P, F equal to C plus 1 minus P, P plus F equal to C minus 2, or P plus F equal to C plus 2. The right option is second option, F equal to C plus 1 minus P. If you want to get more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.